Hey there folks, Grant Schubert down here at Donnelly Ford Lincoln, back at it again with another video. And this is another one from our 2018 custom lineup, the XR6. That's right folks, this is our 2018 XR6. Part of the 2018 Donnelly custom lineup. This is one of my favorites. XR6 because it has the 6-inch Skyjacker lift kit on it. We chose to put this one in the XLT, so I'll get back to some of those features in a sec. But as you can see, right off the bat, the one thing that stands out really huge is the 16-piece Air Design paint to match body kit. Gives you those fender flares around the side, this sweet front bumper, as well as that hood scoop on top. You see the front bumper comes with an extra LED, which really looks sharp as you're coming down the road. Again, a completely different front bumper there. So as I come around the sides, you'll see, as I said, you get the front fender flare. You also get the side vent here, the 2-door body moldings. Again, we went with the RBP running boards, which again are going to give you a really easy jump up into that truck. We went with the 20-inch fuel rims, which are really sharp. Again, this is part of the XR6 package that we've put onto this vehicle. As I come around the back, obviously you're going to get that rear fender flare, and you can see with the rear fender flare they've actually built in that mud flap, so you're not going to be kicking mud all over your trailer or your boat or anything that you're hauling, which is really sweet. As I come around the back, you see you do get the spoiler, and then as well the tailgate molding there too. So really sharp, guys. Again, this package is one of my favorites. It sits you up nice and tall on the road, stands you out from the other trucks, while still giving you not too aggressive of a look or anything like that. So again, we did some pretty sweet stuff. I'll pop open the tailgate. You can see we went with the Ford Tough Bed liner, and then with the rolling tonneau cover as well on this one. So the rolling tonneau cover is really sweet. When it's rolled all the way up, you still have full access to your back glass and looking out the back, which you can't say for some of those other tonneau covers there. As mentioned, again, this is the XLT. We went with the 302A, and we've added the cat skin leather. You can see we went with the stitching to match as well, which we find looks really sharp. And then again with the twin panel moonroof, the full Sync 3 with your navigation. You do have your heated seats, the different drive modes, which is pretty cool. Let me just show you. This is new for 2018 as well. We've got normal mode, we've got tow haul mode, which we always had, and then we had sport mode. Now we actually have snow and wet mode, and we do have eco mode. So for those people looking to get a little bit more fuel efficiency out of their truck, that's where you want to sit. So again, guys, this is our 2018 XR6 with the custom leather, beautiful running boards, really nice body kit, sweet custom rims and tires. Definitely going to make you stand out from the rest of the trucks on the road. Grant Schubert down here at Donnelly Ford Lincoln. Send me an email. We can certainly look and set you up with a test drive on one of these guys. I look forward to hearing back from you. Bye for now.